What's that servo going to be doing?
So this servo is going to be, so there'll be a rod on the ground, and it will be collecting bubbles, and then once the button is pressed, it will come up like this, and then the fan will push the bubbles and then dip back in.
Oh, cool. What's your plan for today?
A steady hand going that's right maker.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So you're cutting the legs to your...
So I might need to recut them just on the side to make sure that...
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's all good.
So you've got all these different things. This is your workspace, yeah? Each one of those little squares, so you can swipe in and out with your finger. Yeah.
You were looking for the bits to make a
walking
robot. Okay, so there's a motor board here if you want it. There's some servos if you want those.
I think I might use a Kictronic today.
Okay, that's all cool. And what are you designing down here, Mark?
My own fidget spinner that I'm going to 3D print, so when I finish it, I'm going to 3D print it and make it so it's like a rolling 3D
Cool.
fidget spinner.
Cool. I have a template for our, what's this? Drone. And now we're going to cut it out of polystyrene. Here's the start of our drone. Show me your steady hand game prototype, what you've got going on here now.
This is when I press this button, it restarts, and this is like the thing. And whenever I touch the wire, it does an X and then a 1.
Yeah, so
2,
lost a life.
3.
Good, very good.
Yeah.
So now you're going. How are you going to improve this now?
I need to make the wire more steady and.
Crank it up to 12.
That's it.
See what that does.
Wires burst.
Oh, okay. So you've got a wiring issue.
Yeah.
So how's your stomper coming along? Is he looking all right?
The Stomper's doing well.
He looks great. He looks really good. I'm looking forward to seeing this work.
But it hasn't been programmed, and the issue is that this wire here snapped.
Why is my fan?
So we're just fixing the propellers onto the motors. It says make. That's brilliant. Machine.
Yep.
Okay, so show me how it works.
So this is the battery, of course, the power, and this is the
Servo.
servo, which will be holding the bubble
Yep.
holder. So it'll be like that.
And this is the second version of your fan.
Yes, with a CD.
And mind your fingers.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
There's nothing in there.
So off center's better.
Yeah, much better.
Epic! Turn up a bit more. Okay. Beginning to look like a drone now, isn't it? It's looking good. Looking very good. Drone. We've made it out of polystyrene. Got 4 motors, 9-volt battery, and another. Hang on. Okay, when you're ready, press both buttons. What are we doing here?
We're gonna be laser cutting a thing for my mouse to move around.
Okay, all right. So did you design this in your different program?
I was thinking of making it for my mouse, and I made it out of things. So I'm gonna.
File. And then, okay, is that good, Mark? Is it cutting all the cardboard?
So that will be the outline of it. So I'm gonna press start. And now it's starting to laser cut the outline of it. So when it's done, I'll show you.
God, it's amazing. Look at that. do this one? I don't want to mess your thing up. Just
I'm pretty sure that's.
oh, wrong one. Okay, do this one. Yes. Okay, the crawler's working. Okay, so
No need
and
to tape everything on.
yeah, now do this one.
It's A.
Yes. Well done.
It's in the drone, mate.
Oh, let's have a look. Let's take off.
Not quite
gonna fly?
taking off yet.
It's alive.
What's happening with the bubble machine here now?
So far, so we've made the structure for the boat, and we're going to have the motor attached here, which should power the boat.
Let's go. You working?
Oh no! RIP leaks.
Concept, yeah?
Yeah. So.
Go.
Alright.
It works.
Pushes itself.
Pushes itself. But you want the bubbles to blow, don't you?
Yeah.
It's the next thing to get right. 2 steps, yeah?
Yeah, it's going.
Go.
It should be driving. Why is it not driving?
Okay, try another button. Yeah. Well, that's working.
It did a few steps. Oh, no! Oh, RIP legs. No, stop.
Awkward silence.
Yeah, awkward silence.
My solution here is we need some brushless motors and something that spins a bit faster. Okay, so dry run, fan on.
Now move your bubble wand.
Go.
Yeah, so this is
Okay.
a steady hand game. So when I touch it, it comes out with a
Oh, no.
X and it adds a fail onto
So
it.
yeah, two fails.
Your
I'm not good
legs
at
are
this.
meant.
Yeah, you need to make that much smaller.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nasty one.
Yay.
Okay.
Come on, Douglas. Oh! You enjoying it?
Because you can get stuck into it,
Yep.
and you have the help around. Because when you're at home, you don't. When you have like the expert help, it's much easier and it's really good.
Okay, and there's access to the resources.
You can choose what you want to do.
Okay. And what else? If you compare it to like school, what else are you allowed? What else here gives you an opportunity to be more involved in the project then?
Teachers aren't so restrictive. They really help out.
Right.
And instead of saying, why don't you change your idea to this and making it theirs, they say, you could achieve that by doing so and so.
What else do we give you? What else don't you get at school? If you were going to make a project at school, what would you normally get to do?
You have like a restricted time to do it.
Okay.
But
So
even-
time is a big factor here.
Yeah,
because you get all day to build stuff.
Okay, so here's a question. You guys have come all week.
Yeah.
Now, the children that came yesterday for 1 day, do you think they got as much out of today as you guys of the 3 days? Or,
No.
well, hang on. Douglas over here has set himself a challenge a day. The children yesterday set themselves a challenge and did that in a day.
True, but I've been learning skills from the previous days, so that's allowed me today to do it much faster.
It might
Right.
not-
Other than because I'd have to learn to solder, learn to use the craft knife,
Hmm.
learn to use the lighter.
Right.
Ow, that hurt. Trying to learn as much skills as us because we're doing different things.
Yep.
We can go all the way over where they only can do one part and then they can't do any more.
So do you feel like you're building on what you've done each day? You're trying to push yourself a bit further.
It's definitely
Right.
better to come every day.
Okay.
And plus, you can work with people you know around you, and you can
Yeah,
be helped by a lot of people.
Okay.
and-
Yeah, I've enjoyed your collaboration. You've been collaborating really well
Because
today.
normally there's like too many people that really want to help you, but when you're doing nice, calm holiday programs like Maker Camp, it's really quiet and you can do more stuff and not much people are trying to help you, but people still help, but not as many people help you.